Hey guys, James, Paradise Lifestyles. Listen, watch this video all the way to the end because I'm going to show you one secret way. You got to watch it all the way to the end. Watch this whole video. On the last 1 minute, I'm going to show you one secret step that you can do to get hundreds of thousands of followers on TikTok and then send them to YouTube to buy a product and make money using TikTok every day using 3 different ways. Hey guys, the first thing I want to do is show you that I have a brand new TikTok account. I just started 12 days ago. I already have it up to 16,000 followers in 12 days. Now I'm telling people on TikTok to go to my YouTube channel, and I'm getting more subscribers and I'm getting more clients paying me money to help them build their TikTok and YouTube accounts just from this one account I started 12 days ago. So take a look at this first here. Here we go. There's the brand new TikTok account. In the last 12 days, I got it up to 16,000. It's at 15,995. In about an hour or two here, I'll have this account over 16,000 followers. Now I'm making money on TikTok, and I want to show you exactly what to do, so keep watching this video. So then what I do is on TikTok, I go live. When I go live, I talk to people and tell them how to get more followers, and then they can start making money on TikTok going live, and then people will send you gifts. Here's what the gifts look like. On the bottom of your live TikTok call, there's a little red present, and it looks like this, and this is how people send you money. This is the first way to make money on TikTok. That is the red gift box that people click on when you do a TikTok live call, and they send you money. So there you go. I just want to show you proof. This is exactly the steps that I can teach you how to take to start making money on TikTok the first way. There's 5 ways I make money from TikTok and YouTube. The first way is to go live and you have people send you presents, gifts. It's actual money, and it turns into diamonds in your account. Let me show you what that looks like. Okay, so here we go. Look, here's the proof. This is in the back of my TikTok account. They show you all of your numbers, how many people follow, like, comment, all of your analytics, how many viewers. But look on the bottom there. See where it says diamonds? On one live call for about 45 minutes, I had people press on that red gift box and send me money. Diamonds is money. 1,562 diamonds on one single call, and I'm going to tell you exactly how much money that is right now and how you can cash it out every single day and make cash daily on TikTok going live. Yeah, so there you go, 1,562 diamonds on TikTok. That's about $70 per day. Not bad just starting out. We can get that up to $100 a day, $200 a day, $500 a day. You have people on TikTok making thousands of dollars every day going live. So that's what I want to show you how to do. So if you want my help personally, tap the link in the description below. Get me on a live WhatsApp call. I will personally help you in 1 hour set up your TikTok account so you can make more money every day. Cool? Tap the link right now. Get me on a live call. The link is in the description below. What are you waiting for, guys? Let's make money on TikTok. Tap the link. But right now I'm going to show you how to get more subscribers on your YouTube channel and also make money there. So now what I'm doing when I post on TikTok and I go live, I'm telling people to go check out my YouTube channel. Go watch my training videos. So then people are clicking on links in my description below like you are, right? And they go buy products. I have a TikTok course, and people buy that TikTok course to make more money on TikTok. I have a YouTube course. I have a real estate course. I have an Amazon course. I have a Walmart course. So I'm making money through affiliate marketing from TikTok, but I'm also building my YouTube channel as well. I have a brand new YouTube channel I just started, and I already have it up to almost 600 followers just from TikTok. Check this out. There we go. Look, that's a it's an old YouTube channel. I just started using this channel again 12 days ago. Now I'm sending all of my TikTok followers that are on my live stream to my YouTube channel, and they are starting to subscribe, and they're also buying my products from all of the links in the description below my YouTube video. So check it out. I got 580 subscribers. Just 12 days ago, I literally had none. I had about 10, 12, 14 subscribers. So literally in the last 12 days, I have over 550 brand new subscribers. I'm not spending any money on advertising and marketing, and I'm going to keep building this every day into thousands, tens of thousands, and eventually hundreds of thousands into the millions of subscribers over the next 12, 24, 36 months, and make a fortune using TikTok to get people to my YouTube channel, and I'll make money on TikTok. I'll get more followers. I'll sell more products. I'll make more money with YouTube. This is the system that's working, brand new. We're going into May 2021, guys. If you're currently not making any money on TikTok or YouTube, comment below and say, James, I'm interested. I'm in. Give me your mobile number, or just click on the link in the description. I have my WhatsApp number. Get me on a live WhatsApp call. In 1 hour, I can put you in business making cash daily, $50, $100, $500, up to $1,500 or more using your TikTok account. You're going live on TikTok and sending people to YouTube to buy products. And also, they will send you money on TikTok, because that's what TikTok wants. They want you to make money on TikTok. Click on the link in the description below my YouTube video. Get me on a live WhatsApp call right now. I would not wait. I will personally show you how to do it in 1 hour. Okay, there we go, guys. So real quick, if you guys are interested in using the #1 app in the world right now, TikTok, to make money, #2, the second largest search engine in the world, called YouTube, you combine them both and you make a fortune. I can teach you how to do it. At any time, I want you to click that link in the description, get me a live call. I've got links below. Send me your number. Comment. Say, James, I'm in, I'm interested. If you want to make $50 up to $1,500 every day using TikTok. Guys, TikTok is exploding. I missed out on the Twitch thing, but I'm not going to miss out on TikTok. I'm going to make a fortune using TikTok and YouTube. If you want me to teach you how to do it, get me on a 1 hour live mentor TikTok, YouTube, make money call. Click on the description below. In the description, there's links. Guys, just get me on a live call. Go below this video and get me on a WhatsApp call. Give me your number. Send me a WhatsApp. My number is right below this video. Click on the links. Go buy my courses. Do whatever it takes. But I will put you in business making money with TikTok and YouTube live right on the phone in 1 hour. Click on the links below, or just send me a WhatsApp call. My number's right there. Send me your number. Send me your email. Whatever you need to do, get in touch with me. I know what I'm talking about, and I'll talk to you on the next video.